this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fall decorate with me. This is part 2 of my fall collection. I'm so excited to bring you this video. I have been really working hard on this video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you push that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you won't miss out on any more of my upcoming videos. And I just hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.
I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, I told him I would do it all for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I had to make this into a part 2 because the cleaning took way longer than I thought it would. So we're gonna get to the decorating. That's like the best part ever. So I'm so excited. I didn't get anything new this year because your girl is on a budget, and I'm just trying to do, you know, what I can with what I have at this point. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started.
Every time I get too close, you push me away. Don't wanna stick, telling me you don't want any obligations, and how you hate them. Don't call me just 'cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly. No, maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much, and every single thought is making me. Give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurity is tearing me apart. You're making me sleepless. You're making me sleepless. Yeah. I keep losing in this game of playing pretend. I don't wanna be a 4 a.m. I'm suffocating just by waiting on you. So don't call me just 'cause you're lonely.
So I'm gonna start right here at the mantle and kind of get the garland hung up and kind of get this side together, and then we'll move somewhere else. So we're gonna start here first.
Making me. Give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurity is tearing me apart. You're making me. You're making me sleepless. Maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much, and every single thought is making me. Give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurity is tearing me apart. You're making me. Just 'cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly. Nah, maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much, and every single thought is making me. Give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurity is tearing me apart. You're making me sleepless. You're making me sleepless.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you. Ooh. Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? DJ, you celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes out like a champagne bottle. fingertips, red lights every night. Since I met you, it's been somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by ya.
So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.